If you want to insert a green screen clip into Premiere Pro and want to remove the green background, it's quite easy to do. After the clip is inserted into the project panel, specify the duration of the clip you want to insert. Then, drag the green screen clip over the main video clip on the timeline. In the Effects panel, type Ultra key in the Effects search field. When it appears, drag the Ultra key effect to the green screen clip. The next step, go to the Effect Control panel. Scroll down to find the Ultra key effect settings. To make it easier to match colors, use the eyedropper in the key color section. Specify the part of the background color that you want to remove. And now the green color on the background has been removed. To adjust the gradient to look like it blends in with the main video clip, set it from Matte Generation. The next step, adjust the scale and position of the clip to match. If it feels right, we can export the project as usual. And this is the result. That's how to remove the green screen in Premiere Pro. And thanks for watching.